In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find best-selling products to sell on Etsy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to use Etsy's own tools to spot what's trending, what's popular, and what kinds of products are already proven to sell well in your niche. First, head over to the Etsy website and log into your account. Once you're signed in, go to the main Etsy Marketplace dashboard. This is the regular homepage where you see the search bar at the top and different product ideas and categories displayed. We're going to work directly from here because this is where Etsy highlights what shoppers are actually buying and searching for. Next, look for the section that lets you browse by category. On desktop, you'll see a row of category names near the top of the page, such as home and living, jewelry, clothing, art and collectibles, and more. Click on categories so you can see the full list. This is important because best-selling products are usually very specific to each category, and we want to narrow our research to a niche that actually interests you or matches what you can create. Now, choose a category you'd like to explore for trending products. For example, you might select jewelry, home decor, or digital prints. Click on that category, and Etsy will open a results page filled with items from that section. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming at first. We're going to filter this down so you only see the strongest performers. Once you're on the category results page, look for the option labeled All Filters. This is usually close to the top of the results near the sorting dropdown. Click on All Filters to open up the full filtering panel. This is where you can tell Etsy to show you only the types of listings that are already performing really well. Inside the filters, find the section titled Etsy's Best. Under this section, click on Etsy's Pick. These are items that Etsy has highlighted because they meet certain quality, popularity, or trend criteria. Selecting this is a quick way to surface products that the platform itself considers standout listings. Next, still in that same filters area, find and click on Star Seller. Star Seller shops usually have excellent reviews, reliable shipping, and great customer service. By turning on this filter, you're focusing on products from sellers who are already doing things right, which gives you a clearer picture of what works on Etsy. After you've selected both Etsy's Pick and Star Seller, scroll down and click on Apply. Etsy will now refresh the results page using those filters. It might take a second, but then you'll see a refined set of listings. At this point, the products you see within that category are going to represent trending and best-selling types of items. They're coming from shops with strong reputations and often reflect current buyer demand. Take your time to scroll through, pay attention to styles, price ranges, product variations, and how listings are presented. This research will give you solid, data-backed ideas for what to create and